The W-4 and W-2 forms serve different purposes in the context of income taxes in the United States. The W-4 form is used by employees to provide their employers with information on how much federal income tax to withhold from their paychecks, whereas the W-2 form is used by employers to report an employee's earnings and taxes withheld to both the employee and the IRS. There is no direct process to transfer information from a W-4 to a W-2. Instead, here are the general steps for both forms. W-4 form. Employee's withholding certificate. Complete the W-4. When you start a new job or experience a significant life change, e.g., marriage, the birth of a child, you'll need to complete a W-4 form. Provide your employer with your name, address, marital status, and the number of allowances you want to claim. Consider additional withholding. If you want additional federal income tax withheld from your paycheck beyond what is calculated based on your allowances, you can specify an extra dollar amount on the form. Submit the form. Give the completed W-4 form to your employer's Human Resources or Payroll Department. They will use the information to determine how much federal income tax to withhold from your paychecks. W-2 form. Wage and tax statement. Wait for distribution. Employers are required to provide a copy of your W-2 form by January 31st of the year following the tax year. You should receive it from your employer or through your employer's payroll system. Review your W-2. Carefully review the information on your W-2 form for accuracy. Ensure that your name, social security number, and income details are correct. Use the information. Use the information on your W-2 form to complete your federal and state income tax returns. The earnings and tax withholding data on the W-2 are essential for calculating your tax liability or refund. File your taxes. When you prepare your income tax return, usually Form 1040, you'll enter the information from your W-2 in the appropriate sections. Follow the tax software's or tax preparer's instructions to ensure accurate reporting. Keep copies. Keep a copy of your W-2 for your records. Employers are also required to submit copies to the IRS and state tax authorities, so your tax return should match the information reported by your employer. In summary, the W-4 form is completed by employees to inform their employers how much federal income tax to withhold from their paychecks, while the W-2 form is provided by employers to report an employee's earnings and tax withholding for the previous tax year. There's no direct transfer of information from a W-4 to a W-2. Instead, you provide information on the W-4 to ensure accurate withholding throughout the year, and you receive a W-2 at the end of the year to report your income and taxes paid.